How to manage autoplay GIFs on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub, and now click these three lines here and then click Settings, and now click this one, App Settings, and then scroll down until you find here autoplay GIFs. Here's it. Now select anything you want here, Wi-Fi only or never, and that's it. Just manage anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.